So my parents broke up when I was a kid. And then 6 months later, my mother, she let him move in.
Him?
Yeah, Glenn. A fucking scumbag. Anyway, they'd been together about a year when he started hitting her.
Would he hit you?
All the time. Me and my little brother. But mostly me. Anyway, she would not leave him. I couldn't figure it out. And then I got it. She was just waiting for me to get old enough and strong enough to protect her.
Yeah, that wasn't fair to put
It's
that
just
on you.
fine. Anyway, I started taking my taekwondo and karate and jiu-jitsu classes way more seriously than I ever have. I changed my diet. Changed everything. You know, pretty soon I could beat any kid's ass. But I still needed to age. You know, to fuck, I don't know, grow enough to take on a full-grown man. And Glenn was a big fucking guy. By the time I was 14, I was ready. One night we're all in the kitchen and Glenn, he hits my mother. Just a little flick of his fingers into the back of her throat. And I bring it.
You kicked his ass.
No, Larry. Glenn paints the fucking kitchen with me. Bloodies my nose. Gives me what I'm pretty sure was my first concussion. And, you know, fractures 3 of my ribs. He sent me to my room that way.
And where was she?
She's taking a shower. You want to know why she took a shower, Larry?
Because she wanted to smell good when she was fucking.
That's exactly what she did. Well, I'm on the other side of the wall. You know, they're giggling over there, gasping and moaning with the ice rattling inside of their glasses. Meanwhile, I gotta fucking sit there with my nose bloodied and my head pounding, my ribs fucking barking.